Hi everybody. It is time for the craft side of things. It's going to be kind of a little bit of a mixture for a while. And I kind of started, I did the December daily prep, the foundation pages, so that's done until I'm ready to work on it. And we're going to have some Christmas hauls. I think this is the last one though. I've got everything else I need. Yeah, so this is, you never know, but I think it's the last haul. So we went to Family Dollar, looks like, a couple of days in a row for, it's actually for projects. So I found these, $4, and there's 50 of them. And for that ladder, let me show you real quick. For those of you that are on the crafty side of things, I found this at a thrift store or whatever, and I've had it for a couple of years now, and I thought this would be cute by my fireplace maybe, I don't know. But it has holes in it. It used to have lights. When I got it, it didn't have lights. It just had, it had a snowman, no, some kind of thing hooked to it. So I took it off. And I repainted it white. It used to be this color. So the holes, there's 24 of them, 25 of them. I can't remember. So I needed lights to go inside there. And this is, I think I can plug it in. Yeah, I think I can plug it in. So, yeah. So I can put it near an outlet and put these in. And I have a Santa that I'm going to put on it. I have a Santa that I'm going to hook on it. And a Merry Christmas little sign that came off of something else. So that's going to be one of the projects that we're going to do in December. Well, you'll see it in December anyway. Then I still have our reindeer feed one. I think I have everything for that now. And my mailbox. I found the gingerbread guy that I want to decorate with and put on there. But we'll see. I may have to get a couple more things for that, but I don't know. Maybe not. So this will go over with that stuff. And these things, actually these ones, my little trees that I put outside my house on the porch, some of this stuff has fallen off and all of that, so I'm going to kind of spruce it up a little bit. And I believe the lights still work on it. I'll find out when I plug it in. But I wanted to add, I won't use all of these, but I will probably half to, well, yeah, half will go on one tree and half will go on the other tree. Plus the other ornaments that I have on there, I think there's green and blue, the multi, whatever. But I think I'm going to change them to be red and silver so they'll stand out. These are $1. I got all of these. So I want to fix those trees. So that possibly will be a video. And then the other thing is I decided up over my, if you looked at my other tour, Christmas tour, holiday tour from last year, my hallway that goes down to the office and the bathroom, it's plain right there, and I thought, why don't I put a garland hanging right there so my living room's gonna look like a festive North Pole. And that got me thinking. It's like, okay, because I said North Pole, and this year's theme I did gingerbread men. They have it like gingerbread men. Next year it's going to be North Pole. I've already figured that out, and it just happens. Like I said before when I was doing these, the theme thing. I try to do theme, and now I just got to get the book, a new book, and it doesn't matter if it's red or green because it'll work with it. And I've already ordered the papers. They're all on sale right now. I think a couple of them were like $2. The paper pad itself was like on sale for like $3. It's the North Pole something, but I'm gonna add to it. But I got the main pages and stuff. The front cover is gonna be cool looking. So I wanted to do that. So I got that all set for next year. I have no idea about Halloween, but Christmas is all set. I've got it all set. It'll be here, and I'll start putting a box together and all that. So anyway, because I said garland, it's going to look like the North Pole, I'm like, oh, I need to go down to Family Dollar because that's the cheapest place to buy ornaments. And I got, because my Christmas tree in the living room is red, white, silver. Red, white, and silver. And I wanted the garland that's going to hang over that door to have red and white. Actually, it's going to be red and silver because I don't have white. I couldn't find white. I might be able to find white. If I do, I'll add it in there, but if not, it's not a big deal. I have white flowers I can put on there, but I got different size bulbs. I've got some silver ones left over from something else I did that I have. And then I went and got this packet, which has small ones and bigger ones, to put in there. And these are pretty. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? And there's some gold. I don't care if there's gold in it. I don't care. But there's that for the garland. And then today I picked up some big, huge ones. I've got 2 reds. There's a sparkly one and a red one. And it's the same for the silver. So I'll stick these in on it. So this is for the garland. And I figured I would do that video. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it on my desk here. It's too big. I may have to film it over on the big table. But I have those. So I think I have everything for the garland. Because I got a 9-foot piece of pine, you know, the evergreen part. And so this is 15 foot because I wanted to thicken it up, and this has white in it. So it looks like it'll look like it's got snow, you know. So this is 15 foot. So this will go, I'll hook it on there and kind of double the bottom up a little bit so it's a little thicker on the bottom. So yeah, so I got this. That's for the garland. And that's gonna not take long at all to put all that together. But then I'm like, oh, I need something to hang it on. So over the two corners, I got some like command strip, but the off one. The command strips for 2 of them was like almost $10. I'm like, I don't think so. Where's the off brand? So these were like $1 or something at Walmart. 2 hooks, 2 strips. So that will hold, these little hooks will hold each side, and then I can take it down, or I can leave it up there, leave the hooks up there all year, and then I could decorate. It's going to be a Christmas thing. I don't think I'd decorate around that any other time of the year, I don't think. But yeah, it says it holds 1 pound. So I got those for that. So that garland is all set. And then for my December daily, I'm toying with the back and forth about the rooms. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I don't know. So I'm like, well, why don't I go down, and while I'm at Family Dollar, I'll look when I go to Dollar Tree too. I need to find a gingerbread card. But I found a hot cocoa card, and I'm just going to like take it apart. Take the cover off. Well, I'll take, to this point off. So I can put it in here. So I can add it in here. Because we do hot cocoa and all that all the time. But, it's like gingerbread. It's like candies and hot cocoa and all of that. So I did find this one. I didn't find one that has gingerbread on it, or I did find one with candy canes, and I didn't buy it because I didn't. I might go back and get that one, but I wanted to have that for this, for this, and so I got that, and yeah, so that is everything. Just a little haul. I think the rest of, I do have like a beauty part haul upstairs that I'm gonna do, but other than that, I don't think I'm gonna have hauls again. Maybe. I don't think so though. I wasn't planning on. It's gonna be crafty, so I can get that done, and then we're gonna do my house tour. So I am gonna do the cart, my December daily or December cart, like I have the Halloween one. I'm gonna do that one, and then it's all craft stuff. I'll still have a couple of budgeting ones, craft, planner, the planner ones, and just that other haul. I think that's it for until the new year, I think. Who knows? It could change, but that's a thing. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Yeah, and comment down below, say hi, and I hope you enjoyed the crafty side of things. It's going to be a mix. My channel is a mix. And don't forget about the 500 subscriber giveaway. We are not even close. So hopefully that'll happen. We'll see. But don't forget about that. I link it all the time, so you can go check that out. And yeah, so that is it, and I will see you all again soon. Bye now.